Are you feeling a little low on energy lately? Or maybe your stomach is playing tricks on you? Well, pay attention, because today we are going to talk about a drink that could be your new superhero. Ginger tea? Yes, that ancient drink that healers have used since ancient times for all kinds of ailments. And the best thing of all is that you probably already know it or have tried it before. Ginger tea, an infusion with a spicy and delicious flavor that, in addition to being super tasty, has a ton of benefits for our health. Want to know 8 reasons to drink ginger tea daily? Keep reading. Ginger has a ton of amazing properties that can help you feel better inside and out. So sit back and join me as I discover why you should include this delicious tea in your daily routine. Did you know that a single serving of fresh ginger contains more antioxidants than a serving of blueberries? Ginger is a tropical plant native to Asia. It is considered a dry, spicy, and warm yang herb and may provide more essential nutrients than many other popular infusions. Ginger offers a variety of health benefits. Civilizations such as the Roman, Greek, Chinese, and Arab have detailed the medicinal applications of ginger. It has gained considerable recognition in Asian medicinal practices as a remedy for gastrointestinal problems, including nausea and diarrhea. Beyond these uses, ginger has traditionally been used to relieve muscle and joint discomfort, cold and flu symptoms, abdominal pain, menstrual discomfort, and to treat skin burns. Today we'll explore the science behind ginger's medicinal properties. Make sure to watch until the end because there are some simple tips and recipes for adding more ginger to your diet. So, stay with me as we explore the full potential of this amazing ingredient with a history spanning centuries and a prominent role in several cultural traditions. Nutritional compounds in ginger transcends its status as a mere spice, revered not only for its robust flavor, but also for its nutritional and medicinal properties, earning its place as a culinary gem and a cornerstone of natural remedies. Since ancient times until its global diffusion, ginger has secured a special place in both kitchens and traditional medicine. Its rich nutrient content, including vitamins A, B, C, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium, combined with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant active compounds, make it an inexhaustible source of health benefits that offer support from digestion to strengthening the immune system. Now that you know the wonders of ginger, get ready to discover 8 irresistible reasons to include ginger tea in your daily routine. 1. Relieves nausea and vomiting. Ginger is famous for its exceptional effectiveness in relieving nausea and motion sickness. Research indicates that routine consumption of this herb can significantly reduce symptoms associated with motion sickness, chemotherapy, and pregnancy-related nausea. This ability to combat nausea is attributed to compounds present in ginger such as gingerol, which act in a calming way on the digestive system, helping to reduce the feeling of discomfort and offering relief for those who suffer from these problems. 2. Promotes digestive health. For centuries, ginger has been a remedy for digestive disorders. It stimulates the production of enzymes necessary for digestion and improves gastrointestinal motility, thus promoting more effective digestion and absorption of nutrients. Additionally, ginger has been validated as an effective natural remedy for relieving symptoms of indigestion, including heartburn and abdominal discomfort. It stands out as a natural remedy, the alternative to maintain digestive health and relieve various ailments of the digestive tract. 3. Fights inflammation and infections. Ginger is noted for its profound anti-inflammatory effects attributed mainly to gingerol, a powerful compound prolific in this root. This compound is known for its significant anti-inflammatory properties that offer therapeutic benefits in managing inflammatory disorders such as arthritis, osteoarthritis, and various autoimmune conditions. In addition, its bactericidal and antimicrobial compounds position ginger as a formidable natural ally to strengthen the immune response to respiratory problems, including flu, colds, asthma, and bronchitis. Ginger tea is an exceptional choice for preventing and relieving cold symptoms, and its effectiveness is further enhanced when combined with lemon. The vitamin C in lemon combined with the rich antioxidants in ginger strengthens the immune system and reduces inflammation in the respiratory tract. Inhaling tea steam also helps clear nasal congestion and improve airways. Furthermore, ginger is effective in treating infections within the oral cavity and throat, addressing ailments such as pharyngitis, tonsillitis, periodontitis, and gingivitis, demonstrating its wide therapeutic value. 4. Relieves muscle and joint pain. Ginger can be a strong ally in relieving muscle and joint pain. Studies from the University of Georgia suggest that regular consumption of ginger can reduce muscle pain associated with physical activity and chronic diseases such as fibromyalgia. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic qualities of ginger are key to this relief, acting synergistically to mitigate pain and offering a natural and effective means of managing discomfort. 5. Relieves menstrual cramps. Many women experience significant discomfort due to menstrual cramps, which are often accompanied by heavy bleeding and abdominal pain. In this context, ginger has emerged as a possible relief for this discomfort. Research indicates that ginger can significantly reduce the severity of pain associated with menstrual cramps, providing a level of relief that rivals traditional painkillers. This effect is due to ginger's ability to relax the muscles of the uterus, attributed to the phenolic compounds and anthocyanins found in this root and which offer analgesic properties. Additionally, ginger has also been shown to be beneficial in controlling migraines, further highlighting its potential to relieve pain related to menstrual problems and other associated conditions. 6. Promotes satiety and blood sugar regulation. Recent research has highlighted ginger's potential in controlling blood sugar with animal and human studies, indicating its ability to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood glucose levels. It is estimated that regular consumption of ginger can result in a reduction of around 35% in blood glucose levels. These properties make ginger particularly beneficial for those suffering from diabetes or prediabetes, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent complications associated with the disease. However, it is essential to emphasize that the use of this root does not replace a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Research from Columbia University has found that ginger tea can improve satiety, leading to a reduction in hunger. This characteristic positions ginger as a supporting element in weight control strategies. It is also known to boost calorie burning and can be used to create a traditional concoction known as switchel, a homemade isotonic drink mixed with apple cider vinegar, ginger, honey, and water. 7. Prevents cardiovascular diseases. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, may contribute to cardiovascular health by promoting balanced blood pressure and supporting heart function. Traditional uses of ginger have included treatments for conditions such as hypertension, and it is often suggested as a salt substitute in diets. A study published in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology examined the effects of ginger under experimentally controlled conditions to understand its impact on the heart. The findings suggested that ginger may help lower blood pressure by blocking specific calcium channels. In addition, its antioxidants help neutralize excess free radicals, thus preventing the oxidation of fat cells. This process contributes to controlling cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood. 8. Improves memory. Ginger's potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities may offer brain health benefits by protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation that can contribute to cognitive decline. Research conducted by Hindawi Publishing Corporation explored the impact of ginger on the cognitive abilities of middle-aged women and revealed promising results. The findings highlight improvements in working memory, suggesting that ginger could be considered as a potential cognitive agent, particularly for middle-aged women. This positions ginger not only as a culinary ingredient, but also as a beneficial supplement for brain health. In addition to being a versatile ingredient in the kitchen, ginger is a powerful source of health benefits backed by studies and experts, so it is worth including it in your diet. This knowledge comes not only from modern science, but also from ancient traditions. When the body calls for help and nature offers a solution, ginger reveals itself as an ancient secret worth discovering. How can ginger be used? It can be used in various ways depending on personal preferences, but I'll give you some tips. Ginger can be used as a flavor enhancer in your meals or as a tea and juice. Fresh ginger has a spicy, intense flavor that makes it perfect for dishes such as soups, stir-fries, marinades, salads, juices, and smoothies. You can peel and grate it, cut it into fine pieces, or mince it. Ginger powder is versatile and convenient, ideal as a seasoning in both sweet and savory dishes. It is commonly used in spices and masalas for sauces, curries, marinades, stews, smoothies, and tea. It is also a key component in baking and gives a warm, spicy flavor to gingerbread cookies and cakes. Make sure you choose a high-quality powder without any unwanted additives. Another delicious way to consume ginger is caramelized. This is made from fresh ginger that is cooked and sweetened with sugar. It is often eaten as a sweet snack or used in dessert supplements and capsules. For people looking for a more concentrated intake, ginger supplements are commercially available in capsules or tablets that provide a convenient dose without the need for meal preparation. Ginger essential oil is known for its soothing properties. It can be diluted with a carrier oil such as coconut or almond oil and applied topically to the skin to help relieve muscle aches and rheumatic pain. It is important to mix 3 to 5 drops of ginger essential oil with a tablespoon of carrier oil before application to avoid skin irritation. If you prefer powdered ginger, be mindful of the amount, as the powder has a more potent flavor than the fresh root. So start with a small amount and adjust the flavor. How to prepare ginger tea. Making ginger tea is very simple. Here is a detailed guide. Ingredients: 1 1-inch piece fresh ginger, peeled and sliced. 2 cups of water. Lemon juice, optional. Honey or sugar to taste. Procedure: in a small pot, place the sliced ginger and water. Bring to a boil. Once the water boils, reduce the heat and let the ginger infuse for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you leave it, the stronger the flavor will be. Remove the pot from the heat and let it steep for a few minutes. Then, strain the tea to separate the ginger slices from the liquid. Add lemon juice and honey or sugar to taste. The lemon enhances the flavor of the ginger and the honey soothes any sting. The amount of ginger you use will depend on how strong you like the flavor. You can adjust the amount to suit your preference. You can add other herbs or spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, or cloves to give your tea a different touch. You can make a larger batch of tea and store it in the refrigerator for a few days. You can use powdered ginger. Mix 1 tablespoon of ginger in 1 liter of boiling water. Another way is to prepare a single serving. For this place, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger in a cup of boiling water and let it sit for approximately 5 minutes. Strain the tea to remove any ginger pieces or powder residue. Ginger tea can be enjoyed hot or allowed to cool and serve as a refreshing cold drink. While some may choose to add sweeteners, enjoying the infusion in its natural state allows you to fully appreciate its aromatic and beneficial properties. What are the possible side effects and risks of ginger? While ginger is famous for its health benefits, it is essential to consider its potential side effects and risks. Ginger is generally safe for most people to consume in moderation, but large amounts may cause gastrointestinal problems. Therefore, it is important to be careful when consuming ginger, as excessive intake can lead to stomach upset and diarrhea, especially for those with gastritis. In addition, people with high blood pressure should know that ginger can further reduce pressure. Ginger should not be used by people with gallstones, gastric ulcers, or bleeding disorders. Those taking medications for high blood pressure or diabetes are advised to seek a doctor's guidance before adding ginger to their diets. Pregnant women should use caution, as the safe dosage of ginger during pregnancy to prevent potential risks to the fetus has not yet been determined. Ginger should only be used with caution and under the supervision of a healthcare provider. As always, moderation is key, and if you are new to consuming or using ginger, start with small amounts and see how your body reacts. If you are looking for a delicious and easy way to take care of your body, ginger tea is your best ally. Forget about pills and syrups, because with this simple infusion, you can combat everything from a simple cold to the most annoying pains. So, if your doctor allows it, say goodbye to medications and welcome the spicy and revitalizing taste of ginger. As you have seen, ginger tea is much more than just a drink. It is a real elixir for your health. Ginger is a gift from nature that provides us with a wealth of benefits, so why not make the most of it? Incorporate ginger tea into your life and feel how your energy and well-being increase day by day. Remember that taking care of yourself is the most important thing. Tell us in the comments if you already knew about this extraordinary root and how you use it. If you like this video, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel for more healthy tips and share this video with everyone you want to feel better. Thank you for joining me. I invite you to our next meeting with well-being and health. See you soon.